Hello, Mrs. Chen. Hello.
Hello, hey
Good eve
Mara.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening. Sorry.
It's okay. Yeah, were you busy?
Um, I'm cooking dinner.
Ah, what are you cooking for dinner, Mrs. Chen?
Hmm. Uh, Today dinner is 갈비찜.
Galbitin.
Uh, you know 갈비찜?
I'm not really sure.
Hmm.
What's that?
Um. 어, 잠깐만.
Okay.
아, Korean style braised beef ribs.
What is it?
Korean style braised beef ribs.
Ah, beef.
Beef, okay.
Okay. What did you do? Like, is it like soup?
Just a moment.
All right.
Um, you can watching the phone?
Yeah. Wait, is it that also with the soup?
Beef,
It's beef with
beef. Okay.
oh, it looks good. But have you eaten your dinner, Mrs. Chan?
No, no, no.
Not yet. Are you hungry now?
Um, a little.
A little.
Uh,
Oh,
갈비찜 is 잠깐만.
okay.
갈비찜 is 음, um, foreigners
Uh-huh.
foreigners favorite Korean foods
Mm.
are usually 갈비찜 and 불고기 and bibimbap and
Oh yeah,
잡채.
bibimbap. Oh yeah. Oh, I tried japchae when I went to a Korean restaurant,
Okay, okay.
and I like
Um,
it.
you like it?
Yeah,
잡채?
I like japchae.
아, 아, foreigners favorite one number Korean food 갈비찜.
Oh, so that food is famous to foreigners.
Okay, okay.
Oh, I
음,
want to try. I wanted to try that.
어,
I'm
음,
curious how it tastes like.
아, 어, you know try that?
What is it, please?
You you don't eat 갈비찜?
I haven't tried it.
You have tried that.
Yeah, I haven't
아,
tried it. So,
아, 음. 갈비찜 is very delicious.
really? Oh,
음.
maybe me if I'll go to our Korean restaurant because Korean restaurant here is a little bit expensive.
아,
That's why.
expensive.
Yeah, it's
음.
like it's pretty expensive here
음,
when
음,
you go to a
음.
Korean restaurant.
아,
Maybe if
갈비찜,
I'll go there. And also,
아,
you know what? I also want to try maratang.
아, 마라탕.
Yeah, because it's very famous to my students.
음, 마라탕?
Yeah,
famous?
to my students, to my Korean students.
Okay, okay, okay. My
Yes.
daughter is favorite food maratang.
Really? Yeah, a lot of my
Okay, okay.
students like the maratang a lot. So, like,
아,
I'm very curious what it tastes
아,
like.
you too?
Yeah, I want to try.
You want to try?
Yeah.
아, 그럼 you haven't tried it?
You know, because when I go to like some Korean restaurant,
Okay.
usually samgyeopsal.
삼겹살.
Yeah, but they don't have maratang.
아, you don't have maratang.
Yeah, they don't have maratang, but they have like gimbap, japchae, like that.
아,
Like kimchi.
음, 음, 깍두기.
I don't know if, but like usually gimbap.
음,
Yeah, bibimbap also that one. And also kimchi. It's very famous
어,
here in the Philippines too. And samgyeopsal, bulgogi.
음. 갈비찜 is little same 불고기.
Uh-huh.
Little same. 불고기 is small
Uh,
small
oh
beef.
yeah, like thin.
Okay, thin.
Uh-huh.
갈비찜 is big.
Ah, it's thick.
Okay,
So galbijim is thick, but bulgogi is thin.
thin. 불고기
Ah,
is thin.
oh yeah, bulgogi is very
갈비찜 is
thick.
thick. Okay,
Okay. I want to try that. I'm
okay.
curious. Hmm. Well, there's a Korean restaurant here. He is Korean.
음?
Um, I forgot her restaurant's name. It's Kim Uma or Uma Kim. Yeah, it's something like that.
음?
Like their name of her restaurant is something like Uma Kim, like that.
엄마 손 김밥?
No, the name of
No?
the restaurant in the
응,
Philippines.
응, 응.
Like something
레스토랑
like Uma. I forgot.
엄마?
Yeah, like that's the name of her restaurant.
음,
She's Korean, but it's a little bit expensive.
아,
Yeah, a lot
음,
of Koreans go there.
어?
Yeah, a lot of Koreans go there in the restaurant. Maybe it's good.
음, 아, 어, 어, what do you, what do you want to Korean food?
What do I want to try?
Okay, what do you want try? Korean food.
I want to try because tteokbokki is not really good here.
떡볶이.
Yeah, I want to try tteokbokki
음,
and uh what else? Like real bibimbap maratang. And that one.
음, 아,
Yeah. But I want to try maratang because it's very famous in my Korean students. Like, oh, I ate maratang. It's my favorite food.
really?
Yeah,
어,
my
어,
student says that to me.
yesterday dinner, my home is me- dinner menu, 떡볶이.
Ah, really? Did you cook it?
Okay.
Oh, you cooked it.
응.
Ah, that's good. Yeah. I also cooked
my,
for dinner too.
huh?
I cooked for dinner too.
Mm. You?
Yeah, I cooked buttered shrimp.
Mm. Your menu?
Yeah, buttered shrimp.
Butter
Buttered,
shrimp?
yeah,
Mm.
buttered, wait.
Butter shrimp is menu?
Yeah,
Ah.
buttered shrimp.
Butter shrimp, I don't know.
You don't know
음.
buttered shrimp? Wait.
아, 버터 슈림프. 아, 콩글리시.
Ah,
버터 슈림프.
I
버터
see.
슈림프.
A
네,
bottle shrimp.
오케이.
Ah, okay. In
오케이,
your
오케이.
bottle shrimp.
버터 슈림프.
Bottle shrimp.
오케이.
Ah, okay.
콩글리시.
Konglish. I was like, yeah. So
오케이.
I cooked buttered shrimp for dinner.
버터 슈림프.
Yeah, buttered shrimp.
버터 슈림프.
Yeah.
버터 슈림프. 콩글리시 버터 슈림프. I don't
Ah,
understand.
okay. Because in
버터
your
슈림프.
country it's bottle shrimp.
Okay, butter shrimp. I'm very no favorite seafood shrimp.
Really? Why?
Okay. Um, um, I'm favorite.
It's not your favorite?
I'm favorite
Ah,
seafood
it's
seafood
shrimp.
shrimp.
I thought your favorite food is crab, king crab.
King crab
Uh-huh.
shrimp. King crab shrimp. Um, little same.
Oh,
But
yeah,
okay, but king crab is very expensive.
that's right.
Mm, bad.
Yeah.
Bad.
Well, I would
Um,
say I love shrimp too. It's
shrimp
my favorite.
shrimp is no is expensive.
That's right. It's not really
Okay,
expensive.
okay.
Buttered shrimp is my favorite food.
Really? Again?
Buttered shrimp is my favorite food.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ah, really? Me too.
Oh, you too.
Okay.
Oh, that's good to know, Mrs. Chan.
Okay. Oh, yes. Same. You and me same favorite food.
Yeah. Like we
Okay.
have you can say
Spicy.
we have
Mm,
we have
okay.
common things.
I cannot get it.
Oh wait, like just wait. Ah, okay. I will chat it for you, Mrs. Chan, okay?
I cannot screen.
We okay. I will just gonna share my screen.
Mm.
Can you see my screen now, Mrs. Chan?
No, no. Okay.
Okay. So I was we have we like things.
Realize things and come on. You realizing in come on. Oh, you smart.
Oh yeah, thank you. Yeah, we like things in common.
Come on. Realizing in come on. Okay, okay.
Like we have the same
Realizing.
things. Like
Okay,
oh
okay.
yeah, like that. Like we
Mm,
do like the same thing. So like we
okay,
like
okay.
things in common.
Mm. And spicy food.
Yeah,
Shrimp,
spice shrimp.
shrimp.
Uh-huh.
잡채.
You like chapter too?
Okay. I'm I'm very well cooking the 잡채.
Oh, you're good at cooking
Okay,
chapter?
okay. Very well.
Ah, it's your specialty.
Okay.
Ah, so japchae is your specialty food.
Ah,
Ah,
me?
yeah?
Mm, um, many special.
Wow. Mrs. Chan, if I go to Korea, I will go to your house.
Okay.
Yeah. So that I can eat your food.
Okay. Um, you, 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 you can go, you go to my home.
Uh-huh.
Mm. I'm making cook, you, making you food,
Uh-huh.
불고기,
Uh-huh.
야채, 떡볶이. I can't,
Wow, that's a
mar-
lot. I
I
will
can't
get fat.
marathon. I can't marathon.
Ah, okay.
But um, 갈비찜, I can't.
Ah, you can do that too. Oh, I will get fat, Mrs. Chan. Don't make me fat.
Ah,
You know what? I also like kimchi, Mrs. Chan.
oh, kimchi.
Yeah,
Okay,
I like
okay.
kimchi too. So
Oh,
yeah, I will if I'll go there, I will go to your house so I can eat a lot of
okay,
food.
okay. I I have many kimchi.
Oh, that's good because here in the Philippines, kimchi is a little bit expensive too.
Ah,
Yeah, usually Korean food expensive here.
Malaysia.
Korean food.
Oh, Malaysia is Korean food is very expensive.
Oh, really? Well, there's no Malaysian restaurant
Ah,
here.
no, no, no. Korean food is very expensive in
Other countries?
Malaysia.
Huh?
Huh?
Uh,
Korean food is expensive in Malaysia.
I'm from the Philippines.
Philippines. Sorry, sorry, sorry.
Ah,
Mm.
oh
Korea
yeah.
Korean food is expensive in Philippines.
Yeah,
Mm.
I'll bit expensive here in the Philippines.
Mm,
So
mm,
that's why.
mm. Philippines is famous. What's the famous food Philippines?
There are a lot. We have like lechon, adobo,
Hmm?
adobo.
Adobo,
Yeah,
adobo,
adobo.
adobo. Mm, adobo. I find phone.
Oh, sure,
Adobo.
sure.
Okay, adobo.
And lumpia. Lumpia is good. This is famous to foreigners.
Lumpia. Adobo is seafood?
Not really,
Oh
but there's
no.
chicken.
Chicken.
Mm-hmm, yeah.
Chicken? Okay, okay. Ah, chicken and pork.
Yeah, it can be chicken or pork.
Ah,
Yeah, adobo is famous here. It's also very easy to cook.
ah. Oh, Mara?
Yes?
Oh, 갈비찜 is same adobo.
Oh, really?
Okay, okay.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, that's
Okay,
interesting.
okay. 음, okay. 아, 잠깐만.
Okay.
어, without vinegar,
Vinegar.
vinegar. Okay.
Ah, without
갈비찜 is
vinegar.
okay. 갈비찜 is no vinegar.
Ah, maybe I think I'll cook it at home.
At home?
I will try to cook it at home.
Ah,
Yeah, if I have
mm,
time.
ah. I watching the phone.
Uh-huh.
Adobo. Okay.
Ah,
Adobo. Um, I understand. Is adobo is vinegar.
with vinegar.
Vinegar. Okay.
Yeah.
No. 갈비찜 is same adobo.
Uh-huh.
No vinegar.
Ah, okay.
Okay. Okay.
Interesting.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Mm-mm.
Anyway, so I think that's all for tonight. Thank you, Mrs. Chan. All right.
Okay.
I hope you will enjoy your dinner.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you for tonight and have a good night, Mrs. Chen. Bye bye.
Okay. Bye bye. Good night.
Good night. Bye.